This is our stay in near Pangong Lake at Traveler Cottage. Okay, it's a small stay. They have 6 rooms. Okay, one over. Sorry, one, two, three. Sorry, my bad. 7 rooms, and that is 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we are staying in 104 and 105. Okay. That's the dining room. The problem with no, I should not say the problem. First, let's go through the room. Okay, they have this balcony. These 2 chairs. Okay, we pulled it outside for sun in the morning because it was too cold. But you can, and these 2 chairs are originally placed in the balcony, so you can enjoy the view. Okay. Then there is this room. This is kind of in a messy condition because we are just living in this hotel and could not do it when we came. Basic amenities are there: a couple bed, couple of mattresses, 2 plug points, and lights. Okay, there is this washroom. This is here, commode, basin. Okay, there is problem with this is like they don't have shower over here because usually they don't recommend to shower in this location, that is in any of those hotels in Pangong. Okay, the reason is that most of the water which is get supplied over here across all the homestays or hotels, it's the ice water. Means if I go outside and show you the view, you will see there are peaks covered with ice just behind this hotel and everywhere. Okay, so when this ice melts, the water comes, they use it for their hotel purpose. Okay, so that's why they don't recommend anybody to bathe over here, and there is no direct hot water supply because most of the time the lines get frozen. Even in the night after 11, they shut down the water supply lines. Losing breath. They shut down the water supply lines so that the lines don't get frozen in the night. Okay, and here they shut down around 11:30. They recommend to fill couple of buckets so that in urgent need during night you can use that. And again the water supply resumes at 6. Okay, about electricity, the electricity more or less comes here around 6:30 to 7 across all the hotels in Pangong, and it remains till 10:30 at max 11 in some cases. Okay, there are some emergency lights. One bulb will remain alight throughout the night, but that is also like basic. Okay, so as per amenities, I don't think we should expect anything more in this remote location where the cold is so much harsh. Not cold, rather the weather condition is so much harsh. But the thing is, I said that it's a so-so stay. We'll tell you now. It's a 5 out of 10 stay because of this view. Okay, the blue water is the Pangong Lake, but the entire view is blocked by some other stays backside. Okay, maybe it was not there earlier, but it is blocked right now, so you can't enjoy a proper view of the film. But like just looking at some part of the lake, but not a good view. Okay, and if I go to the hills as usual, barren hills, and yeah, as I was saying, see those 2 mountain tops are still covered in ice. Okay, so but here the views are not that good, and in kitchen They serve vegetarian food. Last night we had roti, paneer, dal, and another curry. I think that was Nutrilla. Okay. You might say that why you have booked this hotel if this view is not that good, but actually I was coming to an agency, and when they said this name of this hotel, I tried to search on Google, but not much search result came up. So okay, but if I knew this was going to be the case, I might have asked for some other hotels to be staying. Okay, but nevertheless, it's not a bad experience. Just because of this view, I am not giving it more than 5 out of 10. Okay, and it's a budget hotel. Basically, last night also some bikers came here to stay. The night before, also a group of bikers occupied. So you understand, it's a budget hotel. So if you want a budget hotel with compromising view, then you are good. And okay, the point I should have mentioned earlier, that in the night the wind blows very hard. Okay, and the temperature drops around 3-4, but in the room you won't feel that much other than the sound of howling wind. Okay, there won't be much feeling of the cold. Okay, you can use those mattresses or your winter wears. Okay, let us know if you have earlier stayed with this hotel or going to stay with this hotel, how was your experience and how you liked our review of this hotel. If we should improve something or we should include something, that also you can mention. We will be trying to implement that, and let's see, and meet in our next vlog. Okay, till then, bye bye.